Mrs. Thomas, and I teach Spanish 8 and Spanish 1. I'm looking forward to working with your students this year and exposing them to learning a new language. If you have any questions, feel free to contact me at ktomas@nvcs.steer.org. Hopefully it'll be a successful year. Muchas gracias.
Hola, my name is Ms. Hospi, and I teach Spanish 2, 3, and 4. Spanish 3 is a college credit course starting in February of 2021, and Spanish 4 is a current college credit course where your child can earn 6 college credits through Tompkins Cortland Community College. I look forward to working with your students all year long. You can reach me if you have any questions at dhospi@nvcs.steer.org. Muchísimas gracias. Adios.
Guten Tag, I'm Mrs. Warren, or Frau. I teach 8th grade German, German 1, German 2, German 3, and German 4. In German 4, you can earn some college credit through Tompkins Cortland Community College. That won't start until February 2021. I'm out on maternity leave right now, but if you need to get a hold of me, you can email me at rwarren@nvcs.steer.org. I won't be returning until November, and filling in for me right now are Mrs. Knudsen and Mr. Geisenhoff.
Guten Tag. My name is Mrs. Knudsen, and I am the long-term sub for Frau Warren. I must make a confession. I have never taught German, or do I know German, but we have our backup, so don't worry about that. I have a lot of connections with Germany and Austria. My son lived there for 2 years. I've been there myself. 3 of my 4 children took all 5 years of German, and the foreign exchange student from Germany lived with us for several months. But I'm not doing this alone. I have my German counterpart, and I'd like to introduce him, Mr. Geisenhoff.
Hallo, ich heiße Herr Geisenhoff. I am the German counterpart for the German substitute for Ron or Miss Warren. I've been to Germany and I've learned the language for 4 years. I was there for about a month, I'd say, just speaking. None of my family or counterpart knew any German, so I was the tour guide to my own field trip, so that was fun, I guess. And so yeah, I'm here to help the students learn German.